What's going on, guys? So we're gonna go meet up with Pinoy rider Socal for the first time. Sa pogi. Chill right now. Putang. Revzilla. Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss.
PRS.
Hello. Hello. Hello, vlog. Yun, so pababa na kami. Galing kami sa overlooking Lake Elsinore, I think. And yeah, we met this guy on a Porsche, Filipino, cool cat. Took our pictures, and yeah, there's a lot of riders here. There's a bunch of cars too. So yeah, when you go up here, just be careful. The road's pretty uneven. I think the best road for me so far is Lake Arrowhead to Big Bear. So I think that's 38. Yeah, I like that. They got wide roads, 2 lanes. I like a Sousa too, a Sousa Canyon, but that one is a little too much. I think I don't know, maybe it's because it's the first time I went there, but for me it was too technical. Maybe it was because it was my first canyon ride, so that for me that was too technical. Now I got more twisties under my belt, so I think I could. Maybe I'll stop by over there next time. Check it out. So right now we're on our way to Revzilla and Dine Easy. Hindi ako makakapas. Delikado. Kung ako nagpapas pagka ganito, steady lang ako sa likod mo. They decide to eat. I'm really hungry now. I had breakfast, but so next week I'm gonna save that weekend for Kevlar and Coffee. There's a link in the description. Yeah, I miss those guys. Haven't ridden with them in months. They were gonna go to LA to that new bridge. My hand's numb. My hand's numb. Man, I hope our lead takes us to our restaurant. I'm really hungry. A while ago we met up at McDonald's, but I didn't think I had breakfast, so Now I'm starving as hell. Peace. That was close. That was way too close for my comfort. Hey, ba? Pilit ako sa'yo eh. Split lane? Ako po, kakasya ba tayo dyan? Back at him, so it wasn't rude. That's pretty cool. Bibilis! Lugi tayo! 2-cylinder lang tayo! Sila, puro cylinder sila! Naliligaw ba tayo? Akala ko naliligaw tayo eh. Masakit yung kamay ka. Aray ka, manhid na. Puro kuryente. Break. Ang G-net! Ang G-net! Nag-suit pa kasi. Kala ko malamig eh. So, yeah, we're here at Costa Mesa near, I think this is Newport Beach, close to. About a mile away is the beach, maybe less. Oh, there's Revzilla. Sabi ko, pasok sa lane na to, labas sa lane na to, pasok na, saan ba tayo?
Pare, nakakuha mo kami pare.
Oo. Revzilla. Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss. I got a bunch of helmets here, of course.
All Griegas are still unredded something. Griega, yeah. All Griegas like 80% off. 15.
Yeah, I was like 50, perfect 50.
Not yet. Can you advance the day?
Got a bunch of gears here. Siyempre yung uso sa Pilipinas. May uso sa Pilipinas eh. I think it's Kriega R3. I don't have it. Do you have the Kriega R3?
The Kriega R3?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Oh, there you go. Okay. Looking for that one. Yeah, so that's Revzilla for you guys. We'll be riding out soon. I'm going home. I gotta still open Cajun Republic. It's nice. So ayan, dito na natin tatapusin yung vlog. Umalis na sila. Punta pa silang Dayanisi. So tayo, uwi na tayo kasi magtitinda pa tayo. So ayan, maraming salamat PRS. Until next time, babush! Ngayon, patugtog muna tayo ng Jopay! Kamusta ka na? Gutom na ako. Hindi sila pumunta sa restaurant. Ano, may pagkain sa bahay. Daming kainang masarap dito eh. You know, ciao.